Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel, Soul Journey. My name is Beck, or Anu Ani, the Expansion Doula. And today I'm doing two things. I want to talk about worthiness, and I'm going to do a bit of a giveaway. So stick around to the end to see what the giveaway is. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about worthiness. So we all talk about self-love. We all talk about I'm worthy of love, but what does that really mean? And are we good at receiving love when it's given to us? And I'm noticing that I'm feeling a little bit of resistance to receiving a just magical gift from a soul family member. So as I posted yesterday, I've been struggling a lot, feeling very sensitive. I have a lot of physical pain in my body, especially my neck and back. I went to a chiropractor several years ago and it was amazing, but I just haven't had the ability to do that recently. And so I deal with a lot of daily body pain, and it comes and goes depending on how much I'm working on my self-love, feeding my body the right things, and so on. But anyway, I was having a really rough time the last couple of days. So one of my soul family members called me this morning and said, I hear you, I feel you, I really sense that you're in a lot of pain. I want to give you a gift. And essentially they said, you know, you've helped me so much, so I want to give back to you, and I want to give you either like a float or a massage. Please just take this gift. And I was just like, that's magic, you know, like it felt amazing, and I got to pick out what massage I wanted, so on and so forth. And I'm going to be going and do that in a couple hours. But after I got off the phone, after I took a shower, all this, I'm starting to feel this like guilt, because I was like, why me, right? Like, I feel like there's so many other people in my circle, especially like my partner, who could use something like this, right? I'm like, you know, I'm feeling guilty that it was given to me, even though I totally could use it, even though it's totally something that I really need. I'm having this guilt that I'm not worthy enough. And I was like, what is that? Like, why do I not feel that I've given enough? Why do I feel, not that that even is necessary, but why do I feel like I don't deserve that? Like, why can't I just receive that love and that gift? And so I'm really struggling with this concept, which surprises me because I'm so on this, I deserve what the universe gives me, abundance flows to me naturally, but I think it comes in the juxtaposition of feeling like there are others who could need it who aren't receiving. And you know, of course, like it's all vibrational, right? It's all what we expect from ourselves, and we can't know what's going on internally in these people, what their worthiness is, so on and so forth. I've really worked on this concept of believing that I deserve to receive, or in-own to receive. As Teal would say, in-own means it's already mine. It has nothing to do with something I'm doing. I don't deserve it. I in-own it. It's mine, and I just have to be open to it. And so I've really worked on that. And so, of course, eventually that's going to manifest, and it does, it manifests every day. But I was still struggling. And so I kind of had this idea of, as an idea, when you're struggling with receiving, don't not receive it. Don't do that. Say thank you so much, but pay it forward. And I thought this was a really cool thing, because how many people receive something and they go, oh, I just want to do magical things for everyone else. I think that's magic. I think that's the purpose of sharing and giving, is that it ripples out. So I decided, within my feeling like, do I deserve this? Yes, I do. But I'm also going to take this opportunity of feeling good and give back into the pool of love and giving. And so I really like offer this suggestion to you. If you're struggling with feeling worthy, accept it and then give more. Not give more in the sense of, you know, just like give of yourself until you run dry. I mean, just pay it forward, share the love. And so I've decided I wanted to do that. I've actually decided like a few weeks ago that I wanted to start doing some giveaways. So this is the perfect opportunity to start that. I was actually going to do it next week, but here we are. So today I've decided I'm going to do a very simple giveaway. I was going to do it bigger, but I feel like since this is, I want to do it pay it forward, I'm going to do it very, very simply, make it easy. So this gift is very me. And I wanted to share it with you guys. Maybe someone who couldn't get one of these, or would like to start a collection. But here we go. So I am going to be giving away a 4-ocean bracelet. So this isn't one for my collection. It's a brand new one, and this one was for the manatees. I got it a few months ago. I've been waiting to do a giveaway. And so this is for the manatees, and I believe this was for April. Not manatees. Everyone keeps doing that. For manta rays. Manta rays. Manatees for last year. Manta rays. And I believe it was the February bracelet. So you'll get this little card talking about that. You will get the little sticker. And the cute little bag. This is great for like jewelries or packing crystals if you're going on a trip. I do lots of that. So you'll get the little 1-pound sticker, and you will get the manta ray. I'm struggling, man. You'll get the manta ray bracelet, which is this beautiful teal. I hope you can see it, teal and like white, I think, bracelet. So you will receive this. This represents 1 pound of trash being pulled out of the ocean. This was made all with recycled materials. So you will get that. So it doesn't matter if you have some, it doesn't matter if you don't have some, you can enter. I will say, make sure if you're under the age of 18, get your parents' permission, obviously, because I'll have to send this to you, get your address. So I love this. Handmade on the tropical island of Bali. So yeah, so it's open to everyone. I'm gonna try to do it for the whole world. Sometimes shipping can be really expensive. So, but I would like to open this up to the entire world. So the way you enter, very, very simple. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then comment down below a self-love practice that you're working on, or a self-loving thing you did today. Just down in the comments, super simple. So subscribe, like this video, and make sure your subscriptions aren't private, so I can go see that you subscribed. And at the end of the month, so the end of April, I will pick a winner. So this should be open for the entire month of April, and then at the end of that, I will send that out. So yeah, so I just wanted to put this forward. So whoever wins, I will comment on your comment. So look out for that at the end of April, and then we can maybe connect through Instagram or something like that for the details of like your address. I don't want you putting out your address on my YouTube video. But we can connect through like Instagram or Facebook or something, make it super easy. And then I can get your address and send you out your little gift. So anyway, yeah, subscribe, like this video, and comment something you're working on to help love yourself, or a self-love practice that you did today. And it can be anything. It can literally be, you know, you woke up and you made sure you meditated. It can be a continual self-love practice that you're working on. It could be, you know, going vegan, whatever it is. It could be big, small, whatever. I would just love to hear what you guys are doing for self-love and knowing that you're worthy of that love. And yeah, and someone will win this cute little bracelet. I think I have mine on. I have my manta ray bracelet on, so we'll be twinsies. So that will all go to one lucky winner, and I will pick randomly. I will just, you know, put them all in a hat or something, and yeah, so exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I was thinking about pulling a card for today. I kind of enjoyed that. I'm going to do a little bit of a shorter reading, but I think I'm going to do the Crystal Mandalas Oracle again, just to kind of finish this up, see what Spirit has for us today. And then I gotta have breakfast, and then I gotta go off to my massage. Yee! So exciting. So let's see. All right, Ascended Master Hilarion and Green Chrysophase. Some of these crystals have the longest name, and this is Discernment. Didn't we have Discernment a reading or two ago from a different deck? Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Also, I've decided to do this because, first of all, it feels a little more personal. There's no editing, but also I'm getting kind of paranoid about editing. So I thought, instead of just saying, no, I'm afraid, I don't want to post videos, I'm just going to do this for a little while. It's just going to be how it is. All right, so let's see. Oh, found it. All right, so there's like a long thing, but I'm just gonna read like the first part, which is still very long. Bear in mind, I'm a little dyslexic and I will try the best I can, but this is a message from Spirit. Okay, discernment. We bring you the blessing of discernment. There is an expression, God, it's always the second line. It's always the second line. Okay. There is an expression that all, okay. There is an expression that all that glitters is not gold, and that appearances can deceive. This does not mean you must greet the world and all its appearances with suspicion and distrust. It does mean it is wise to trust what you feel and sense happening beneath the surface, even if that seems to directly oppose what is being said or what many others may believe. The world is filled with opportunities for you to practice sensing truth behind the mask. You will do this most accurately when you allow your instincts and intuition to inform you without rationalizing the information so it matches the superficial appearance of things. If intuition or instinct is niggling at you, then it is trying to communicate something. Listen, take your time to feel your authentic response. Discernment helps you cut through illusion, manipulation, and deception and get to the heart of the matter at hand. It is the intelligent use of your intuition and instinct that will help you navigate through the multitude of choices available to you every day and choose what best serves you on your life journey. Interesting. So I'm kind of feeling like this is going to be something we might be aware of during the day. Something might come up that just doesn't feel right. And so learn to trust your intuition. Learning to trust your intuition is not only about, connecting and things like that, but being aware of when energies feel off and trusting yourself. So many of us believe it's our imagination, right? That like why does that doesn't make sense. So be aware of that this week. That's really interesting. And again, I will do a reading on Friday to yeah. I haven't eaten. I'm a little up here, right? Just be aware, just get intuitive. I'm also sensing this might have to do with things kind of outside the circle. This might be politically. This might be, yeah, just things that are coming up. Sorry, I'm trying to find the card. I could do this after. I really could, but again, no editing. Yeah, I'll do it after. This might have to do with things that we're going to be told in the next week, and we need to be discerning. Now, I want to be clear that, let me be clear, that there is the difference between being intuitive and tapping into your guides and tapping into your intuition and letting your emotions run away with you. Just because you hear something that you don't like doesn't mean it's inherently not true. Again, the political sides, like, it's a real balance, right? Because there has to be a neutral aspect. I know that when I tap into my guides or tap into what's most self-loving, it comes very neutrally as a neutral message and it just makes sense. It's very clear. There usually isn't a lot of emotion behind it. There's not usually a lot of trigger around and being like, no, I don't believe that, or no, that person's evil or whatever. It usually comes very neutrally as like this inner knowing, and it usually comes with some sort of way to navigate it, I find. So be aware, get centered. And so there might just be things that come up this week. So be aware, maybe specifically today, the things you hear, and just really get centered and peaceful about it, and go to your heart and go to your center for navigating. That's my feeling on it, and we'll see how the day plays out. Emotions and feelings and intuition can be difficult. There's a lot going on the planet, and it can often be very jarring. So settle into your soul family, settle into what feels good to you. My video yesterday was supposed to be on soul family. It won't save, so we'll see how that goes. It's okay. It's okay. Wild compassion, like yesterday. Be compassionate. Things are shifting. It's all right. It's interesting. The soul family member who gave me the massage was like, or, gave me the opportunity to go get the massage was like, this is the shift you've been talking about. It's happening. Like, let's not get tossed. This is what we've been talking about for a while and it's happening and it might be a little more hectic than we were expecting. Things always look great from a distance and then when you're in them, just like being human, being a soul, uh, being a soul can, be like, oh, being human looks so much fun. And then we get here and we're like, ah. So give yourself compassion, pay it forward, get into your community, love yourself, create joy, create excitement, follow your passions, clean your house, give yourself love, go to sleep early, be gentle with yourself, feed yourself good, yummy foods that feel good in your body. Do all the things we know, and we will get through this. And put your intention towards beautiful experiences. Put your intentions towards creating and connecting, and that is what we will receive and experience. So, many blessings, you guys. Namaste, and don't forget, it's all about the soul journey.